A quotation is a document that a seller provides to a buyer to offer goods or services at a stated price under specified conditions. Quotations are used to let potential buyers know how much goods or services will cost before they commit to the purchase. Our Quotation Maker module, which is a reference for observation or further customization and is readily available on our website, has the following features. It has 4 types of forms: database, category, process form, and report. It has product databases and customer databases, and there are 2 categories, namely product categories and customer category. A user can have the option to create his own category and edit and delete those categories. Also, these forms linked with these 2 databases have provision to create or edit categories from these forms, which are called models. Let's have a look at Quotations Maker applications. In the dashboard designer, you can add different widgets to perform functions. For example, widgets can calculate key performance indicators, filter dashboard results, fetch desired data from the database, and show record-level details in tables. 4 widgets are used in Quotations Maker reports to show different types of counts. Reports give the user a graphical snapshot of a company's operations. Dashboard reporting gives everyone in an organization, regardless of technological expertise, the ability to analyze data in real time via intuitive dashboards. Here in the Quotation Maker report, you can see all the information like quotation number, quotation date, customer name, final quotation date, and grand total. Also, you can show many different types of reports here. Charts enable you to visually compare multiple sets of data. Charts can help people better understand and remember information. It helps data analysis in a visualized manner and arrives at inference, which can lead to decision making. We have shown through the report of pie chart, bar chart, and line chart in Quotation Maker. You can also display reports using different types of charts. So now let's see the Quotation Maker form. Let's click on the first Add Entry button. Here you will see the entry form. So let's add an entry to it. First, we will fill up the main section. So let's add the first senior number. Next, select the product name from the drop-down. After that, rate will fill automatically. Because we have already created the product data form and the rates of the product are entered here. After mentioning the next quantity, the amount block will be filled automatically. After that, we will submit it. Now let's fill up the bottom section. First, we will add the quotation number. After that, select date. Mention the next validity in the month. Your final quotation date will be automatically filled from this. Let's enter the next customer name. After mentioning the name, the address of the customer will be filled in automatically because we have already created the customer database form. After that, total amount will autofill here in your main section. Then select the tax applicable option from the drop-down. Then tax amount will be automatically filled as we have applied the formula in the elements. After that, let's mention packing and forwarding charges. Next, transportation charges will also be added. Then the grand total will automatically fill up because we have set the formula for the grand total in the element properties. Now let us see the product data form. Let's mention the first product ID. After that, select the product category from the drop-down. We have already created the product category master form and it is attached to the drop-down here. Next, let's mention the product name. Let's also mention the model name. Then add rate and mention the description. Then we will see the customer data form. Let's enter the first customer ID. Next, let's select from the customer category drop-down. we have already created the customer category master form and it is attached here to the drop-down. Let's enter the next customer name. Then mention the address. Next, add the contact number and email. After that, click on the Upload button for company logo and upload the logo and submit the form. Now let's see the category form. The first form is the product category master. Let's enter the first product category ID. Next, product category name. Mention and submit. In this way, we can add a product category. Next, we will see the customer category master form. Let's enter the first customer category ID. Then mention the customer category name and submit. In this way, we can add the customer category. Quotation Maker is a complete solution for managing quotation and billing operations. It helps you right from raising a quotation to your clients, recording payment for the quotation, and then finally providing a receipt to the customer. If you want to send a quotation bill to a specific customer, select that customer's entry from the Quotation Maker report and click Select Template. Click on Next Quotation Bill and click on Print. In this way, you can print the quotation bill for the customer. In CleverlyWork, you can keep a complete record of your business's financial transactions, asset liability accounts, equity, revenues, and expenses using different templates and ledgers. Also, you can easily create a dashboard to have an introspective look at your data in a visual display. If you have any queries, please contact the mail ID contact@cleverlywork.com and the contact number is 8600099696.